This 3-bed terrace in Liverpool. Purchase price, £135,000. Within 2 minutes of seeing the listing, I knew it was worth at least £165,000 after a light refurb. Let me reverse engineer exactly how I knew in real time. Most investors scroll property portals for hours, and you know what happens? Nothing. Because you can't tell what's actually good. So you save 47 listings, message your mate who knows property, ask the agent 15 questions, and by next week, it's sold. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're too slow because you're checking the wrong things. Let me fix that right now. I'm going to walk through this exact listing, step by step, every click, every check. And you'll see how in under 2 minutes I knew the yield potential, the capital growth opportunity, the refurb ROI. This is my real method, no edits. Let's go. First 30 seconds, location lens, postcode L15. I Google it. Wavertree area. Check number 1. Rightmove sold prices. Okay, properties here are selling consistently. Last 3 sales in this street happened in under 8 weeks. Good sign. Check number 2, Google Maps. Distance to Lime Street Station, 12-minute drive, 35-minute walk. Not perfect for commuters, but let's see demand. Check number 3, rental listings. I search 3-bed L15, only 6 active listings. Low supply equals high demand. 30 seconds in. I already know this area is active and undersupplied. Next 45 seconds, yield snapshot, asking price, £135,000. Now I check Rightmove rentals for 3-bed in L15. Average rent, £900 per month. Let's calculate. £900 times 12 equals £10,800 annual rent. £10,800 divided by £135,000 times 100 equals 8% gross yield. But wait, let's factor in costs. Mortgage, 75% LTV at 5%, approximately £420 per month. Management, 10%, £90 per month. Maintenance buffer, £50 per month. Total costs, approximately £560 per month. Rent, £900. Net cash flow, £340 per month. That's £4,080 per year positive cash flow after costs. 45 seconds. I know it cash flows. Next. Final 45 seconds. Growth gap. I check Zoopla's price trends for L15. 5-year growth, plus 14%. Not explosive, but steady. That's reliable. Now the property says needs cosmetic updating. I click through photos. Kitchen, dated but structurally fine. £3,000 to £4,000 refresh. Bathroom, same. £2,000 to £3,000. Decor, tired. £1,000 to £2,000 paint and flooring. Total refurb, £8,000 max. Comparable refurbed 3 beds in L15 are selling for £155,000 to £165,000. So, £135,000 purchase plus £8,000 refurb equals £143,000 all in. ARV after repair value, £160,000 conservatively. Instant equity, £17,000 minimum, plus £4,000 per year cash flow. Total opportunity over 5 years. Equity on day 1, £17,000. Cash flow 5 years, £20,000. Capital growth 14%, £22,000. £59,000 upside for £143,000 invested. That's a 41% return over 5 years, or 8.2% annualized. And it took me 2 minutes to figure that out. Now here's where most people screw this up. Mistake number 1, believing agent rent estimates. The agent said £950 per month. I checked. Average is £900. Always verify. Mistake number 2. Underestimating refurb costs. That £8,000 budget? I'm conservative. Add 20% buffer for unexpected stuff. Mistake number 3. Forgetting void periods. I didn't factor in 1 month void per year. Knock off another £900 annually. The point? Be fast, but be real. Don't over-optimize on paper. If you want the exact calculator I just used, the one that does yield, cash flow, and ROI in one click, comment Liverpool and I'll DM it to you. And if this breakdown helped you see deals differently, subscribe. I do one of these every single week. Next video, I'm showing you the 3 red flags that make me walk away from deals instantly, even if they look good on paper. See you there. This is educational content only. I'm not your financial or legal advisor. Property values and income vary. Always do your own research and seek professional advice before investing.